Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue remote stuck and not working. So I will show you how to fix that issue. Here on back side of this device you can see a reset button over here. See, we need to press and hold this reset button until we see a search screen. When you see searching for accessories, at that moment you can release this reset button. Then take the remote, then press and hold these two buttons together, back and home button. These two buttons we need to press and hold together. Done. So we can press and hold these two buttons together until we hear one beep sound. So sometimes it will work before that beep sound. See, now it's working. So this way we can pair remote if it is stuck. Okay, just press and hold that reset button until you see searching for accessories. Then you can press and hold these two buttons together until you hear beep sound. That's all. You can try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.